So we've just walked from lunch and we're going to the ABBA Museum. We're now getting photos out the front of this little house. And then, so ABBA Museum, there's horses everywhere, because there's horse shit everywhere. And once we're in the ABBA Museum, we're going to sing ABBA songs, like Lizard Queen. And yeah.
We're gonna say
look around, have a good time.
Then I think I sent Drew and Robert to Vasa. I've been
Vasa! I've never seen Vasa. So Vasa would be good.
No, we're gonna go say it's Freddie Mercury.
And then Uppsala.
Uppsala? No, we're not going to Uppsala.
And then Kapsesa.
What?
Kapsesa.
Where is that?
I don't know.
When we get to the ABBA Museum, do we say where's the Freddie Mercury?
Where's the
Freddie Mercury part?
Alright, so we're gonna go now. Hey dog. Alright, we're here at ABBA Hotel.
What's a hotel?
ABBA Museum.
And we're going in. Let's go. So we're in the booth singing songs, ABBA songs. See?
You can dance.
You can dance. You can drive. Having the time of my life. See that girl. Watch that scene. Singing the Dancing Queen. That's what we're looking at.
No, that's our point.
Dancing Queen.
We only have 8 seconds left.
Do we?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's our point.
Kicking ass.
Singing the Dancing Queen.
Thank you very much.
My God, it's hard.
What do you mean? It's easy being a musician. Isn't that fun? Fun. So here we are about to make a music video. It's going to be awesome once it loads. Your content is being saved. Which one are we?
Which one did you want to do?
Which one? Dancing Queen?
Yeah, Dancing Queen.
Alright, Dancing Queen. Alright, cool. Right in, the lights are low. If out for a place to go. This ain't the chance. You are the dancing queen. Young and sweet, only 17. Yay! Sarah broke it.
You broke it.
That was cool. Right. So we just made our music video. That was awesome. Now we're going to, sing ABBA. Hey door. Alright, well we just survived ABBA.
Just, barely.
Just. Dad had a lot of fun, I had a lot of fun, there's a lot of laughs. And it's great. So, I don't know where our next stop is. Where's our next stop, Bear?
I think your dad wanted to see the Vasa Museum.
Alright, so we're going to go to Vasa.
But I think Deb wasn't interested.
And you two are going to go to the hotel. And ready? Arms in and break!
Did you want to go? What did you want to do?
Oh, I've been to Vasa when I was young.
Yeah.
I'm not too fast.
We're going to go see the Vasa. I've wanted to see this for a while. Oh. That's cool. Yeah, I know.
I've seen the big tree. That's cool.
Would have been amazing to see in the water.
Probably is. Go to tour in English. I mean, this is more impressive than the Mary Rose because it's a real ship. Even though it's a real badly designed ship, it's a real ship.
I think it's amazing.
And the only bad design was that they put too many guns up top.
So this is the one that sunk.
Yeah, just took sideways and not take much wind at all because it was so unstable. And it just went enough that now it couldn't right itself, so it just stayed there like
And
that.
where did it?
Just 20 feet off the harbour, up 30 feet off the shore,
And it was under there for what, 100 years?
200 years, so something like 300
And then they
years.
brought it up.
1960, I think. About the same time as Mary Rose came up, I think.
And it was out here in Stockholm.
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, I don't know how much you can see, but I'm in the diving bell. The sound is echoey. Can you hear me, Dad?
No, I can't hear you at all.
Go and hear me. Bum up. What do you think?
They would have suffered from 30 metres. Yeah, they would have suffered from the bends.
Yep. Well, they were quick. So here we are on a replica of the Vasa. We're on the upper gun deck, where all the guns are. And then there's a pump, a bilge pump right here. And then that's upper deck, but you can't get to it, it's fake. There's Fat Man. So this is the pump. And then do you want to see the rudder?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, here's the rudder. There's Faffy. There's the rudder. Look, ready? And then the upper deck. Yeah, if they needed to turn and it was heavy storms and stuff, they were under here.
How do you know that?
Because I read it. And then this is the captain's quarters, but you can't go in here, it's locked. And then this is how you get up to the deck. That's how you get up.
Oh, where's that?
And then if you come around the corner here, I'll show you something cooler. This is captain's quarters.
Oh, wow. Empty.
Well, you can't get into it, it's locked. But yeah,
Oh, senior officers.
senior officers' quarters.
Oh,
So this is
nice
pretty
to
cool.
know. Thanks for 8 men.
Yeah,
So they
Vasa's awesome.
so sleeping bunks.
Yeah, and check this. This is the other side of it.
This is that.
And there's their toilets.
Oh, outside.
Yeah. And here.
That's next.
Now we're gonna go upstairs. It's awesome. Hey, door. The Vasa is huge. I think we're about, I don't know, 10 metres, 18 metres high. Quite high. Quite a big ship. No, not at all. Alright, here we are at the top of the Catexarg.
The Vasa.
See your face.
Vasa.
So here we are at the top of the Vasa.
This is going to be Dudu's weekend cruiser.
Weekend cruiser, the Vasa.
They're just finishing it off now. He's gonna love it. The first one,
Very
that was built
stable.
300 years ago, sank within minutes. This one, well, the one that sank within minutes.
I'm going to beat that time.
Yes.
So that's it. You can see all the scroll and the bits and pieces. It's really cool. Good one, Dad. So here we are at the top of the Vasa. We really did make it far. We made it a couple of meters. But we're at the highest possible point you could be. So really we're the highest we could be to the mast. And I think it's pretty cool. What are you doing?
Yeah, I think it's great, but the thing is, it used to carry 200 to 300 people. I don't know how they fit on board.
Look how big it is. It's heavy. Yeah, 200 or 300 people would fill that whole deck.
Easy. And they say, hey, we're going
Pretty
for a
cool.
20-minute sail. Oh, a bit like the...
Oh, the Titanic! I'll get on that.
yeah, no, better than Titanic went before. And they didn't even get the
They
iceberg.
didn't even get there.
No, this is just a 2.5 hour cruise at Gilligan's Island.
Oh, 3 hour cruise.
Yes.
For a 3 hour tour.
And they only made 20 minutes. So
Wait, and then what? They shot one cannon,
never fired a shot. Did nothing.
so it
Just
didn't fire a shot.
Just sailed out and sank.
That's really undramatic. I'd much rather shot something and then
Sank.
sank. That's just like, yeah. Oh, now we're gonna go down, check more decks, see Bear, see Debro, have some food and go. So, Vasa, you were awesome. Watching a kids show.
Someone fiddling over this.
Bara knakade från masterna runt. Då kom ännu en vindpust. Lite kraft.
Actually, when it first tilted, they released the sails because they knew it seemed too good.
Såg de hur det mäktiga skeppet sjönk.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Prince Henry, King Henry's going to lose his ship.
Kungens skepp. Lindbom
That's why they
kravlade
sent the
sig upp
diving
på
bells
mesanmasten.
to the cannons.
Den hade brutits loss
Hej då.
när skeppet gick under.
Hej då.
Och nu låg den och
What did you think of the Vasa?
Perfect.
I think it was awesome.
Just goes to show that
Everything
in
about it
Stockholm,
was
they
just,
know how to build a boat.
they know how to build a boat and a big place to put the boat. It's pretty cool.
And they knew that money was going to be hard. So why not build a monument? Build a ship, sail it out, sink it,
Sink it.
leave it for 200 years, raise it, bring
Let's
it
get a
in,
selfie before we go.
and then have people come visit. Millions of people come to visit this boat every year.
I know.
Back then, hardly anyone cared.
Hey, hey.
Hey, door.
Hey, dog. So what do you think? It was good?
But better than good. Again, it just proves that Stockholm knows how to build a boat.
Would you come back?
And if it can't, yeah, it would.
Oh, the auditorium, there's a documentary. Mum, you go. Alright, so we're about to go see Bear. That was absolutely awesome. I loved every single thing about that. So now we're on our way. And we're gonna go and see Bear.
NASA Museum.
And yeah, tack så mycket. Hey dog.
Instead of nothing.
Alright, so
Yeah.
we just met up with Bear. And now we're heading home. And we just left Vasa.
Yeah.
And we've done 3 things today. Guards, ABBA and Vasa.
Yeah.
Stockholm is beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
And now we're heading back. Which way's...
I think that's the way.
That's the way. We're heading back and it's really nice.
It was
Oh,
guards,
it's beautiful.
but it was Fika guards. Fika.
Yeah, we did
Yeah,
some
very
shopping
coffee.
before the
Shopping, guards. We did a lot today.
Yeah, we've done a lot today.
Even though we
but
didn't
haven't
walk
rushed.
far. No, we didn't rush. And even though we didn't walk far, it was good.
Ah, we walked a
So our
couple
next
of
thing
days.
is go back, find Debro, get Lanza what she wants, maybe some spaghetti again. And
Or
then
maybe some more areas instead.
maybe some more Larrys. I like all Larrys. And then we're going to go back and have a fika.
I love this late evening stuff.
How good is it, Faffy?
The what?
Which
Late
way,
evening
Bear?
stuff, sun hasn't
That
set
way?
yet.
Oh, I know. This way. That brings me down to the parking lot.
Bye, Vasa. You were very
the car.
beautiful.
Oh yeah,
Right.
which car?
Oh, it doesn't matter. We don't own one. Take any car.
All right, off we go. Woo! Hey, dog.
It's off to us we go.